Partner. Then, what is your purpose for your presentation?
The purpose for my presentation is to show the traditional and the meaning of our beloved country, because some of the people don't know our traditional and our traditions. So now I made this dance with the traditional steps to show our traditions.
Who taught you to dance?
Okay. My mom told me and my aunt.
Wow.
So, did your mother and your aunt taught you how to dance the song?
She told me to dance and told me that no matter what, don't stop and keep on smiling.
Yes, alam mo, yun nga, nakakatuwa din talaga siya. Super light din ng personality niya. So, why do you think that the other countries should choose the Philippines? May pag-ganon. Kasi yung kanta yung piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Diba?
If you're given a chance to promote Philippines, what would you promote?
I will promote the traditions, like our Jose Rizal or Luneta Park. Because Luneta Park has our traditions and the memories of our beloved hero.
Wow!
Oh my gosh!
Nanonosblit ako dito, partner.
Oo nga eh. Parang, sabi ko parang, wow, wala nang ano dito yung ilaw ng Ayala Malls Feliz, no?
Yan.
Oo nga. Nalutang ako, pero grabe, sobrang insightful lagi nung sagot mo.
And ano siya, spontaneous siya.
Oo.
Yes.
Tapos,
Kaya,
talented
nahirapan
pa.
tayo pag tanungin pa natin ang tanungin siya.
Oo, sa fourth day, parang dudugo yung mga ilong natin sa fourth day.
Yan.
So, yan po yung performance ng ating last batch candidate for our third batch.
Yan, ang ating last candidate for our third batch. Kaya naman tawagin na din natin ang ilan sa mga ating third batch candidates. Yan,
Yes.
candidate number 11.
Zavira Cayen Laugo.
Yes.
Candidate number 12, Miss Asea Amina Ignacio.
And candidate number 13, Hadia May Raquel Militar. Okay. Yan. Okay. Sila po ang aking third batch ng nag-talent portion for our Little Miss Philippine Tourism. Kaya sige, kaway-kaway nyo nga and give it your best smile sa ating mga board of judges and to our audience.
Yes. Bago magpaalam, gawin na kayong magpasalamat sa lahat. Yan. Okay, candidates, you may now take your seats.